In this exercise, what we're going to do is construct the elements that we're going to be using on that grid that we created. And I've opened up the sketch for the site, and you can see that it really is nothing more than a series of boxes. We're going to need a header box, a footer box. We're going to need some sort of navigation up at the top here. We're going to need a quote for content. We're going to need a graphic, probably some sidebars that are down in here. And we can do all that using just basic symbols in Fireworks. And the reason you want to use symbols is, well, they're graphics that can be reused and reused. So build them once, use them many. So let's get started. Open up a brand new Fireworks document. And when it opens, select the rectangle tool. And let's draw the header. And we'll just draw a rectangle. It doesn't matter really what size it is. Don't need a stroke on it, so we'll just turn that off. And we'll fill it with a dark gray. Right there, 3333. And there's the header graphic. And you right click on it, convert to symbol, and we're going to call it header. It's going to be a graphic symbol, and we're going to put it in the common library. So that way, once you start creating new projects and things like that, you'll always have these symbols available to you. Click OK. And it will save to the custom symbols area or folder inside your Fireworks folder. Click Save. And it disappears. And why does it disappear? Because, well, it's in the custom symbols right here. There it is. Okay, let's do the rest of them. We're going to do the footer now. Same thing. Just draw out a rectangle. Let's make it a little bit lighter color. There we go. Selection tool, right click, convert to symbol. This is going to be the footer. Graphic symbol, save to common library. Click OK. And the next one, what we're going to draw is a content box. So content will go in this. So we'll just draw out a little box. Notice it's not a little rectangle, more of a square. And we'll make it the 999999 color. And again, right click, convert to symbol. Content, graphic, save to common library. Click OK. And now we'll do the sidebar. Be similar shape as the content. We'll just make it a little lighter. Right there. And right click, convert to symbol. Sidebar, graphic, common library. Click OK. And then finally we'll do our little nav box. We'll just draw that out. And we'll make that white. Right click, convert to symbol. Graphic, save to common library, and let's call it navbar. And the final symbol we're going to draw is for a graphic, which is, if you're a graphic artist, you're familiar with using a box with an X through it. And that's exactly what we're going to draw here. So we'll just select the rectangle tool, draw a box, and we'll give it a stroke. And then you just get the line tool from the vectors and draw an X through it using the line tool. And then select the elements, right click, convert to symbol, graphic, save to common library, click OK. Click Save. And what you've now done is create a bunch of symbols that you can use for your wireframes. Not only can you use them, you can reuse them in all subsequent projects. And the great thing about it is that by using the common library, you can add to your collection.